Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing 10 key factors that contribute to a successful and fulfilling relationship. Whether you're starting a new relationship or looking to strengthen an existing one, these elements will serve as a guide to building a strong foundation. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. Open and honest dialogue allows partners to express their feelings, needs, and concerns, fostering understanding and resolving conflicts. It's crucial to actively listen, express empathy, and maintain a safe space for open conversations. Number 2. Trust and honesty. Trust is the bedrock of a strong relationship. Building trust requires honesty, reliability, and integrity. Being transparent with your partner, keeping your promises, and avoiding deceit helps create a sense of security and deepens the bond between you. Number 3. Mutual respect. Respecting your partner's thoughts, opinions, and boundaries is essential. Each person should feel valued, acknowledged, and supported in the relationship. Respecting differences and finding compromise when conflicts arise fosters a healthy environment for growth and harmony. Number 4. Emotional support. Offering emotional support is a vital aspect of a successful relationship. Being there for your partner during challenging times, offering a listening ear, and providing comfort and encouragement helps create a strong emotional connection. Number 5. Quality time. Spending quality time together strengthens the emotional connection and creates shared experiences. Making an effort to engage in activities you both enjoy, having meaningful conversations, and prioritizing each other in your schedules contribute to a thriving relationship. Number 6. Shared values and goals. Having shared values and long-term goals helps align the direction of your relationship. When both partners are working towards similar objectives, it fosters a sense of unity, cooperation, and shared purpose, deepening the connection between you. Number 7. Independence and individuality. While togetherness is crucial, maintaining individuality is equally important. Encouraging each other's personal growth, pursuing individual hobbies, and giving each other space fosters a healthy balance and allows both partners to thrive as individuals within the relationship. Number 8. Intimacy and affection. Physical and emotional intimacy are vital aspects of a successful relationship. Expressing affection, both physically and verbally, fosters a strong bond between partners. Maintaining a healthy and satisfying intimate life requires open communication, respect, and a willingness to fulfill each other's needs. Number 9. Conflict resolution. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but how you handle them matters. Effective conflict resolution involves active listening, understanding different perspectives, and finding solutions through compromise and empathy. Avoiding blame, being willing to apologize, and learning from mistakes can help maintain a healthy relationship. Number 10. Continuous growth and adaptability. A successful relationship requires continuous growth and adaptability. As individuals and circumstances change, being open to personal development and adapting to new situations together allows the relationship to evolve and remain strong. Conclusion. Building a successful relationship requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to prioritize each other's happiness. By focusing on effective communication, trust, respect, support, and shared experiences, you can create a strong foundation for a fulfilling and lasting partnership. Remember, relationships require ongoing work, but the rewards are immeasurable. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.